Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is moving in this zone from 2 years, and almost 2 years you can say, that is around from Jan of 23 we have seen the price is moving in this range. We have not seen that it has touched above a level of $5. Okay, made a high from 4.9 and made a low of around 1.5. That is what we have seen during a strong situation where the price was, a war situation was there. Okay, otherwise what we have seen, there is a continuous upside. A level of 4.9, it tries to break at this particular level, but that didn't sustain at that particular level, and a further downfall can be seen. Now after the Iran war situation, what we have seen, the price of natural gas was continuously moving down. Okay, but if the price started sustaining above a level of 3.6, there is a chances that we can see a further upside, because the pattern will support a upside. Okay, this particular pattern will support an upside, and if that sustain, we can see a level of $4.2. Okay, and suppose if the price moving over this level, 4.9 can be seen. Okay, this is the level we have seen. So if it sustain above 4.2, we can see a level of 4.5, and if that sustain, we can see a level of $4.9. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can go further upside. Okay, now what we see, the price of natural gas depends on a lot of factors. One of the factor is dollar index, because it is inversely related to dollar index. Okay, so when it rises, the dollar index rises, we have seen the natural gas price comes down, and vice versa. And so in that case, always put your SL, not in that case, otherwise also always start with your trade with your SL, and once you in profit, try to trail it, so it trail the SL, so profit will be saved. Okay, now coming back again on the natural gas price, what we can see, there is a green candle is trying to form for this particular week. Okay, and it is already above a strong support of $3.2. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, it can touch a level of 3.4, and if it started going above this level, probability of crossing 3.8 can be seen. Okay, now I'll explain you. If you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, dollar index is moving. See, dollar index is already above $97 and now trading at a level of 97.8. So if the price sustain above this level, probability of going towards 99.2 we can see, and from there it can cross a level of 99.5, and that is already weak, so we can see the price can rise further upside towards 100.3, and from there a level of 100.9, then to a level of $102. Then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can rise towards 103.5, then to a level of $104.6, and then a further upside can be seen. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards $97.4, and from there a further fall can be seen towards 96.9. Suppose if the price fall below that level, we can see a level of 96.3, and from there a further fall can be seen towards $95.1, and if the price falling below this level, chance of touching 94.8 will be there, and from there a further fall can be seen towards 94.3, then to a level of 93.3. okay, sustain, a further fall can be seen. Okay, and this particular pattern is supporting a downside, so if it started falling below a level of $96.8, a further fall can be there. Coming back again on the natural gas price, what we can see, if you look at this natural gas price, what we have seen, natural gas price trying to go upside, as we have seen a green candle is forming for this week, and it is moving in this zone for of 24. So suppose if it sustain this level, it can touch a level of 3.47, and once the price moving off this level, probability of going towards 3.6 will be there, and once started going off this level, probability of going towards 3.77 we can see. So if the price sustain above a level of 3.7, chances of further upside can be seen towards a level of around $4, and 3.7 and $4 is already being weak, so we can see the price will rise further high and can move towards 4.2, and this particular pattern is supporting an upside. Once the price sustain above a level of 3.2, and it is already above that level and goes above a level of 3.6, a further upside can be seen, so we can see a further high towards a level of $4, and $4 is already tested, so we can see it can touch a level of 4.3, then to a level of 4.5, and a probability of crossing 4.9 can be seen. But we cannot say that there can be so much of rise in this particular week, because See, but pattern is forming. Once started sustaining by $4, there is a probability that a further upside can be seen. Okay, but now that it is trading at a level of $3.3, so chances are high if it started falling below this level, it can move towards $3.2. And once the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching 3.13 we can see, and from there a further fall can be seen towards 2.9. This 2.9 is already weak, so we can see the price will fall further down, and chances of going towards a level of 2.9, we can see a level of 2.63, which is already being tested. So we can see the price will fall further down, and from there it can move towards 2.4. Suppose the price fall below 2.4, we can see the price can move further down towards 2.2, and then a further fall can be seen. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.